Parveen Shakir was a Pakistani poetess and a civil servant who is considered one of the most prominent and popular Urdu poets of the 20th century. She was born on November 24, 1952, in Karachi, Pakistan and passed away on December 26, 1994, in Islamabad, Pakistan. Parveen Shakir began writing poetry at a young age and was inspired by the works of famous Urdu poets like Ahmed Faiz and Ahmed Faraz. She published her first collection of poems, Khushbu, in 1976, which became an instant success and established her as a talented poet. Some of her other popular collections include Sad-barg, Marsh Marigold, Inkaar, Denial, and Kaf-e-Aina, The Mirror's Edge. Her poetry explored themes of love, feminism, and social issues and often challenged traditional patriarchal norms. In addition to her poetry, Parveen Shakir also worked as a civil servant in the Pakistan government and was the first woman to join the Customs Department in 1976. She was also a member of the Pakistan Writers Guild and served as the secretary of the Pakistan Academy of Letters. Parveen Shakir passed away in a car accident in 1994, but her poetry continues to inspire and captivate readers around the world.